So welcome to the live repair as Sylvester Kwesibekwe is your main guest, studio session and presenter, creator, engineer with the best way that I can say it is good and that please the Lord for creation. Right here, I'm sitting up and doing the best that I can, setting up maybe different section like having 7 and 1 as 17, which is also 8. To also talk of today, very important as Sunday. So I have learned to do things on my own and having the spirit to communicate it. Thanks so much. Some of you know it already what I can do, not somebody coming in the age to tell who can do what I'm doing. I'm a great person. Working with electoral commission would not say somebody is my best mate speaking on my behalf. It's never like that. So if I have to start, I show you what I start. And I kickstart and do what you cannot do because you may have not studied. So I do these things because I do that as always. It's my single self. This is how it is calling to do. And welcome to this session where I configure. Maybe let me put my name there first so that you'll be saying you are the owner or user. At least what I'm doing should tell you Sunday is 7th generation. So today being Sunday, and I'm setting up on Sunday. And this Sunday tells who indeed the Lord regard and call for the service. So I'm just simply doing repair and fixing and networking what I have to. This hasn't count for a person who is illiterate that you finish your work and then they call it by the name of another person. I don't think so. You have to have a leg. So there's it. I'm in Konya, and that's where it begins. Of course, it begins here in the technology before we carry it anywhere up in the heavens or in any other place. Or from the heavens, we descend here. And US and myself, we are best mate, the princes and archangels. I have had to command a lot of things today. Even today, they want to talk of some people finale. So it's always finale with us. Thanks.